Desai. I am a nutritionist by profession. Today at Health Shots, I will be talking about the diet a COVID patient should take. By now, we all know that our immune system, our immunity, is the only way through which we can fight with this deadly virus. And if you currently suffering from some existing health conditions like including obesity or diabetes, then it can overburden your body and it can increase inflammation and lead to a lot of complications, and it might take a lot of time for your body to heal itself. So everything we know so far about this deadly virus indicates that the symptoms may vary from person to person. The most common symptoms as per CDC are fever, dry cough, or shortness of breath. But there are people who might experience other symptoms as well, including headache, muscle pain, fatigue, or sometimes also GI symptoms including diarrhea. So just like the flu, you may not be feeling hungry and you may also lose the sense of taste or smell, which can affect your appetite. Now, depending upon the severity of your symptoms, what you like to eat, and who is there to help you cook, the diet will vary from someone else who might have COVID as well. So first and foremost, it's important that you keep yourself well hydrated, especially if you have flu or diarrhea, because you might sweat out a lot of water when you have fever. Secondly, it's important to include certain nutrients which might accelerate the healing process. So first on my list is proteins. Whenever a virus or bacteria, it enters our cells, our body produces antibodies that help in eliminating them. Without these antibodies, these viruses or bacteria will be free to multiply and they may harm our body with the disease they may cause. If you like dairy, you can include, but make sure that it comes from an organic source or A2 milk, because these days dairy is filled with a lot of hormones, growth hormones, antibiotics, which may affect your gut. It can increase inflammation and bring down your immune system. Next on my list is foods with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D, as well as zinc, because these nutrients help to increase your immunity and accelerate the healing process as well. So you can add a lot of veggies together, blend them together and have a green smoothie as well. So include tulsi leaves, celery, also moringa leaves, or panka patta beetle leaves. These are digestive and they are great for digestion. Then also you can include spirulina, add some lemon, ginger or amla, and if you want some fruit, you can add a little bit of fruit and blend them together, add some water and blend them together, and just have this green smoothie every day. It will give you a daily dose of fiber and antioxidants, which are great for your gut health. And you can also get your daily dose of vitamin D from sunlight. Then foods which are rich in zinc are nuts and seeds like cashews, almonds, whole grains, dark chocolate, also legumes. So please include them, and if you have a sensitive gut, then you can also opt for supplements after consulting. So there are certain foods that you should avoid if you want to protect your health, gut health. First one is sugar. Now let me tell you that even a teaspoon of sugar can bring down your immune system for next 2 to 3 hours. Now even if you are a most healthy person or a bodybuilder, but you can catch infection during that period. So avoid sugar, and also be careful of the hidden sugar which is found in packaged foods, biscuits, chips, ketchups and so on. Secondly, it's important that you also stay away from alcohol during this period, because alcohol, it directly enters your liver and it slows it down, and your liver has to work really hard to throw it out of your system. So your liver, it has its immune system of its own, so it's important to protect that as well. The foods that I have mentioned earlier will also help you to protect your liver health. And alcohol, it also dehydrates your body and it can bring down your immune system. So please avoid alcohol during this period. And if you have GI symptoms at the moment, for example diarrhea, something like that, then it's a good idea to avoid foods that are hard to digest. Try to eat foods that are close to nature as much as you can, like fruits, vegetables, sprouts. So have more of these foods, and hoping these tips and diet will help you in recovering from COVID and building immunity. So all you people out there watching me today, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Health Shots for your daily dose of wellness.